So, do you love to sing? I'm here to tell you that anyone can sing. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Hi guys, my name is Serah John and I'm your Western Vocals Instructor on Music Pandit, the best place to learn music online. So do you love to sing? Do you have a song in your head that you've been dreaming of singing? Whether you wish to perform on a stage someday or you just want to step up your shower singing skills, anyone can learn how to sing better. A common misconception about singing well is that you're either born with it or you're not. I'm here to tell you that anyone can sing, and I'm going to tell you how. In this video, I'm going to discuss 5 things you need to know to start your singing journey right now. Before we get on with the topic, I want to quickly remind you that we publish new videos every week. So if you're new on this channel or have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. So let's get on with the topic now. So singing is actually comparable to any athletic endeavor. Let's take for instance training for a performance. We can compare it to training for a marathon. There are certain muscles that need to be worked out and we push ourselves a little bit more every day to build up our endurance. The same thing is applied when singing. We work out on several parts of our vocal anatomy, including our vocal cords, the larynx, the soft palate, and so much more. The more regularly you do this, the better control and flexibility you will have over your voice. While physiological differences do play a role in the tone of your voice, the fact is that vocal training can really make the difference between an amateur singer and a professional. Now, when you're starting to sing, you will come across many naysayers. Everyone encounters negative people who constantly discourage you. But I want you to remember why you started in the first place. Who was that person or what was that song that made you want to do this? Don't forget it. No singer was great when they started their musical journey. Every one of them has worked hard and didn't give in to their critics. That's why they got where they are. So remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So let's begin. So one of the most important fundamentals to get right when you start singing is your breathing technique. This is what makes the difference from sounding breathless to holding that note with ease. I'm going to show you how you need to breathe to be able to sing well. So watch me really carefully, okay? We're going to take a deep breath and we're going to let it out with a hiss sound. So we're going to like that, all right? So take a very deep breath, but we are not going to breathe in the regular way that we tend to do so when somebody tells you to take a deep breath, right? When your doctor tells you to take a deep breath, you go, no, we are not going to do that. Everything above this area is going to stay still, going to stay relaxed. Only your tummy is going to move. So we have the diaphragm which sits behind your stomach. This is what is going to expand, all right? So we're going to take a deep breath. Imagine the air going right to the bottom of your body, okay? Imagine you're really pushing that air in. So your stomach is going to expand, not your chest. All right, so let's see how it looks. Hold your hands here on your stomach to really get a feel of the air going in. All right, try to imagine it, try to push it to the bottom of your stomach. Deep breath, here we go. So you would have noticed that nothing moved here. It was just my stomach expanding and retracting, right? So let's try that once again together. Deep breath, push it all the way to the bottom, okay? Your tummy needs to expand. Let's take a deep breath. I hope you got that. You want to do that one more time together to make sure we've got it right. All right? Take a deep breath. Remember, don't move anything up here, only down here. All right? Deep breath again. Next, we're going to talk about another important piece of the puzzle, which is posture. So let's talk about how you can maintain the right posture while singing. Whether you are standing or sitting, there is a way that you can ensure that your breathing and your singing resonance does not get disturbed. So this is what you need to keep in mind. When you're standing, you need to make sure your back is straight and you're not hunched. Alright, so you shouldn't be like this, you shouldn't be like this, there's absolutely no need. Make sure you're straight. Your body needs to be straight, your center of gravity needs to be balanced. Alright, now when you are sitting, there can be a problem. If you are sitting back in a chair, there's a tendency of your middle area, that is your stomach area, your diaphragm, to get compressed. So if you are planning to sing, if you really want to sing, right, make sure that you move towards the corner of the chair. Just by leaning slightly forward, you will make sure that your stomach area is not compressed. This will help you continue to breathe and relax and maintain a straight back posture even while you are sitting. Next, I'm going to show you some simple exercises just to get you started and to relax your vocal cords, your mouth area, and to really get moving and get your singing on. Alright, so the first one I'm going to talk about is something called the lip roll or the lip trill. This is where you simply put your lips together with a little gap in between and push the air out. I'm sure all of us have done this when we were little kids, so you would not find it too hard. But if you do, don't worry, don't stop, keep trying. In just a few tries, I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. Alright, so let's just take a deep breath. Remember the breathing, okay, and let it out just by rolling our lips together. So see how this one goes. Deep breath. I hope you saw how that was. My lips were trilling or rolling slightly, okay? So let's do that again together. Let's take a deep breath. Make sure this entire part is moving. You might feel a little itchy here. Trust me, if that happens, you're doing it right. All right, so let's do it together one more time. Deep breath. Now, many of you might find it a little bit difficult to start with. I don't want you to get discouraged, okay? You can do it. Just get it on a few times and you'll definitely be able to get a hang of this. So let's do it one more time together so you can really see how I'm doing this, okay? Take a deep breath. Next, I'm going to show you another simple exercise that's designed to wake your voice up so that it doesn't sound like you've just gotten off the bed. Alright, so let's begin with a middle pitch, something like this. And we're going to go down to a little lower pitch. Okay, so let's see how we're going to do that together. Simply sing along with me, alright? And we're going to sing with the phonation ba. That is B-A, ba. Alright? So let's sing ba, 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 ba. Alright? Here we go. Ba, 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 ba. Should we try that one more time? Ba, 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 ba. Now don't worry if you're not able to sing all of those notes. I want you to try it as much as possible. Now for the male singers, you might find the pitch a little bit high. You can easily download an app that allows you to go even further to the lower side that matches with your voice, okay? Push yourself a little bit, not too much. Try to go as far as possible. Now let's try the same thing towards the higher pitch. So let's see how it sounds. Ba, 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 ba. Simple, right? Let's do that once again. Ba, 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 ba. So this is an easy way for you to just wake up your voice and have it all warmed up for you to start singing. Now you can push it either way on both sides. You can push it a few more notes here, a few more notes there, as long as you're able to sing them without hurting your voice. So there you have it, my 5 pointers to begin your singing journey today. If you want to access detailed guided lessons and practice routines, do check out my lessons on musicpandit.com. On Music Pandit, you get access to step-by-step lessons that cover a whole lot of topics like improving your vocal range, vocal projection, vibrato, improvisation, and so much more. So thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed today's topic and it was useful to you. So please hit the like, subscribe button along with the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. If there is any topic you want to know more about, just comment below and we will definitely discuss it. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep singing. This is Serah John, your Western Vocal Pandit, signing off.